Hi, I am Girish Kishnani, and you are watching 5-Minute Learnings. Welcome to the third video in the new series on interesting psychology facts and effects. Today, we will explore the Hawthorne Effect. The Hawthorne Effect refers to people's tendency to change their behavior when they know they're being observed in an experiment. They might work harder or perform better simply because of the attention they receive, not because of any actual changes in the variables. The term, Hawthorne Effect, was coined in 1953 by John R. P. French, following a series of studies from 1924 to 1932, at the Hawthorne Works factory in Chicago. Researchers tested whether changes in the work environment affected productivity. Surprisingly, productivity improved whenever changes were made, whether positive or negative. For example, production increased both when lighting was improved and even when it was dimmed. However, productivity returned to normal after the study ended, suggesting workers performed better because they felt observed, not because of the actual changes. Real-life examples: schools. A study found that handwashing rates increased by 23% when someone else was present, showing that being watched improved compliance. Workplace. Employees tend to be on their best behavior and work harder when a supervisor is watching. In a 2009 research by University of Chicago suggested that the original results may have been overstated. Some additional studies failed to find strong evidence of the Hawthorne Effect, while a 2014 systematic review published in the Journal of Clinical Epidemiology found that research participation effects do exist, supporting the Hawthorne findings. After looking at the results of 19 different studies, the researchers concluded that these effects clearly happen. But more research needs to be done in order to determine how they work, the impact they have, and why they occur. Besides the Hawthorne Effect, behavior changes in experiments could be due to demand characteristics. Participants guess what researchers are looking for and act accordingly. Novelty effect. People perform better at first because the situation is new, but this fades over time. Performance feedback. Workers improve because they get more feedback, not just because they're being watched. To minimize Hawthorne Effect bias and get valid results, researchers can use naturalistic observation. Studying people in their normal environment reduces artificial changes. Make responses anonymous. Participants are less likely to alter behavior if they aren't being personally judged. Familiarize observers. People act more naturally if they're used to the person watching them. While the original Hawthorne findings may have been exaggerated, the term is still widely used in psychology, economics, and business to describe how people change behavior simply because they know they're being observed. That's all for today on Hawthorne Effect. In the next video we shall explore Stockholm Syndrome. Hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And follow or subscribe to my channel 5-Minute Learnings. And do remember to hit the bell icon to get notified on new content. Thanks for watching.